Introducing the Winch and Winch Straps, complete with a range of accessories from DC Cargo. Choose from our sliding winch options of 20 feet or 50 feet, or the 30-foot weld-on option, all made from heavy-duty steel with a 5,500-pound working load limit. These winch straps are made of durable, yellow polyester webbing that doesn't shrink, stretch, or absorb moisture. The heavy-duty black steel flat hooks at the ends are dependable and easy to use. These straps have a working load limit of 5,500 pounds. Simply slide the strap onto your winch mount and use the speedy hand roller with two-handed winding for an easy job. Protect your cargo and tie-down straps with our V-Boards flatbed corner protectors. These sturdy plastic strap protectors will safeguard your tie-down straps from abrasion and pressure marks. Secure the straps with the durable carbon steel flatbed winch bar. It offers a 35-inch length, non-slip handle with rigid surfaces for maximum leverage and a secure grip. Once you've delivered your payload, organizing straps is easy with a DC Cargo strap winder. Just bolt it onto a stake pocket or side rail and roll up your straps for easy storage in just seconds flat. Winch and Winch Straps with accessories by DC Cargo, road ready for safe transportation.